Hi, this is a short YouTube video on delegated administrators or delegated administration. Empower your users to self-admin. Saves you a lot of time and it increases adoption. So let me get right to it. First thing is you actually go to create a delegated group, as you can see here, right? And one of the key things you need to watch out for is enable group for login access. And that means, can they log in as another user? It's something you generally don't want to do. So here I created a group, right? And then once that group's created, then you can assign an administrator. Typically though, here they have to have a permission of view setup and configure permissions here. So specifically people, and then this is a whole group, and then user administration, what kind of roles and subordinates can they administrate, say the account manager and maybe account sales engineer. Those two can administrate that, or maybe it's the VP can administrate underneath, the VP of Eastern can administrate underneath. It's by roles and subordinates here. User administration, this part right here. So choose a role or a couple roles that they can administrate down on. The next one is, what profiles can they assign? Sales, marketing, etc. And you can just add profiles here. For instance, sales. What other sales functions? Let's take a look, right? Also, well, there's just one sales function. How about marketing? What kind of profile? Marketing user, they can assign that. Save, done. So now you can see that assignable profiles. So when there's a new user, the delegated administrator can assign marketing user and sales, right? They can only assign account manager or below. And here, as far as assignable public groups, this is where you have can they assign what to who, to what, to where, right? So like, say a new sales rep comes on for international, they can assign the sales rep, the VP, the designated administrator, the VP of sales can immediately assign the new sales rep to the international sales queue. Then what custom objects can they have access to? And that's the key there. And with that, I want to say it's pretty straightforward. Create a group, assign a user, decide what roles they can work in, assign what profiles they can assign, assignable permission sets like data cleansing, for instance, like, and then what public groups they can actually assign to, and then what objects. It's straightforward, but be very careful before you say enable group for login access. That means don't allow them to sign in as another user. Just allow them to assign profiles, a role, permission set, assign to public groups, that sort of a thing. And that's it. Thank you so much. It's straightforward, it's easy, and you'll find that there's higher user adoption from users if they have delegated administration. Thank you so much.